Hey viewers, how are you today? Jim here with Dad's Garage. Hey, on today's episode, we are going to be wrapping up our 1967 Chevrolet Malibu, a little bit of a mini series. If you've been with us, we have done an updated cooling system. We have put in a retro radio on this vehicle, and we were working on repairing the heater control slides last December. I wanted some heat, switched it over, broke it. Didn't have any heat, did it manually. So we got some parts to go ahead and rebuild that, get it all cleaned up and get it put back in, and be able to finish wrapping up all the radio install on it. And just wanted to bring you along for that. Going to be a short video here. Some of it I didn't get on film. My bad, rookie mistake. But you'll be able to see pretty much the gist of it. And I'm going to bring you along for it. So hang out with us. And please, like and subscribe. Really trying to get my content out to folks. And every little bit of liking and subscribing and, comment. Where do you buy your parts? How do you address things that are broken? And I'd rather fix than replace, if possible. This day and age, it's hard to do. So stick around with us as we go through and finish up this project on this 67 Chevelle Malibu. All right, we're gonna attempt to tear this thing apart and fix it. This will be interesting to me. I just got the levers off, just pried them up. So I gotta disassemble this and make sure I know where everything goes back and how it goes. So I know I'm filming, but I'm gonna take some pictures just so I know. So I can see what's what. So I broke this one, so that's fun. And I'm going to try to see if I can get this lever out of here somehow. I was supposed to be able to just pull this out, but like so. So that's the middle. I'll pull this top piece out. It's the piece that's broke. Goes on the bottom. I get a pick. Try to get this out. Okay. And that's the top piece. So I'm going to clean this up and try to get it clean as I can get it. Let me see, this thing comes off too. And all that comes off. Now I can actually take all this apart and clean it. So that's, well, that doesn't come off. It looks like it's glued on there. But, oh, maybe not. Let's see. Okay. Now I can clean that up. This thing here, I'm going to take off this electrical switch, and I'm going to clean that up in the solvent tank. Okay, I got it all taken apart, except for this lens cover. That's just going to stay in there. It looks like it's glued and melted in there, so I'm going to just clean up the rest of this and try to figure out how to assemble it. Hey guys, I'm back. I did this off camera, but I wanted to show you. It was kind of a mess. The instructions weren't very good. I had to kind of make a spacer on them. These deals here had some thicker spacers, and so when I got all this together, I had so much slop in there. It was just, everything was binding. So I got it all back together. It's all in there. I used white lithium grease to lube it up, and then tomorrow I'll go ahead and get it, get the radio put in, and then we'll get this put in. I did take this off and clean it and got all that stuff on there, so making progress. It'd be good to get this done. But tomorrow's another day, and we'll see ya. Okay, and here we have it. We've got the radio back in. We've got the HVAC system back in this Chevelle Malibu, and I just need to plug this in and change a light bulb, get my oil gauge. I have a single bracket for that I need to get and put on, swap that out. I switched to a fuel injection system on this car, so we have a handheld that controls all of our vitals when we have it hooked up. But it's all in. Everything slides over nice and smooth. Everything's been lubed. Everything goes over. So we're ready just to get in all this cleaned up and go from there. So this has been an interesting little project we've had, and I hope you've enjoyed this. And thanks for watching. Appreciate it. But this is going to conclude.